Vitamins are essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. They play a crucial role in various bodily processes, including metabolism, immunity, and maintaining healthy skin and bones. While our bodies can produce some vitamins, we rely on external sources like food and supplements to obtain most of them. There are two types of vitamins: water-soluble and fat-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin C and the B-complex vitamins, dissolve in water and are not stored in the body for long periods of time. This means that they need to be replenished regularly through our diet. Fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, dissolve in fat and can be stored in our body's fatty tissue. As a result, we don't need to consume them as frequently. Each vitamin has its own unique benefits and functions. For instance, vitamin C is crucial for the formation of collagen, which helps maintain healthy skin, connective tissue, and blood vessels. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. On the other hand, vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and promoting strong bones, while vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy eyesight. A well-balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products can provide most of the vitamins our bodies need. However, some people may require additional vitamin supplementation, especially if they have certain health conditions or dietary restrictions. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new vitamin regimen to ensure proper dosing and avoid potential interactions with medications. In summary, vitamins are essential for our overall health and well-being. They come in various types and have different benefits. While a healthy diet can provide most of the vitamins our bodies need, some individuals may require additional supplementation. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.